Hello friends, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for new videos. Hello friends, welcome back to the another series of Artificial Intelligence Friday. In this video, I'll show you how to enhance the Google searches. As in the last video, Friday is capable to search anything but result just a Google web page. And the best part is you don't need to compromise with voice quality because I'll show you how you can download MP3 of search results from AWS Poly services. So let's start. I'll show you first.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
What is the name of current Prime Minister of India?
Let me search for you. Got it. The incumbent Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi, who has headed the BJP-led NDA government since May 26, 2014, which is India's first non-Congress single-party majority government.
Who has invented artificial intelligence?
Let me search for you. Result found, sir. The NEETs, logic and symbolic reasoning. Logic was introduced into AI research as early as 1958 by John McCarthy in his advice-taker proposal.
So this is the thing which we are going to implement. So first we need to import some modules, and those modules are Google Search API and the Boto 3 for Poly services. So these two modules we need to install, and we can do this. Just click here and search for the modules. So Boto 3 and click install package, then Google Search API, just select it and click on install package. So by this way you can install it. Now I'm just going to copy this and pasting it, so making version 2 and here. So here we will import the modules. First we will import Google, sorry, not import, from Google, import Google, and the import Boto 3. Now we will create some functions. First function will be for Google searches. So def Google search result, and we will give an argument, query, sorry, query, like this. Now we will create a variable, search result, and Google has a method search, and we will pass the query. So query whichever we will give this method search, it will return the response to this variable search result. So I'll show you how it is look like. So search result, and here I will exit the program. So okay, so I'll show you first this method search. So now we are in the Google module. Now we will go to this search, and here you will see first argument is query, which is the string which we will pass to search. Pages, it will extract the data from first page by default, and the language by default is English. You can change the language of this result also. And void true, so you can change any value of these parameters. Now let's go back, and here I am just running it. Let's see what we will have in search. Okay, so I need to call this also. So Google searches, sorry, Google search result, and here I'll pass some query. What is earth? Sorry, earth. right? So let's run this and let's see what we will have. So this is the result which we will get. So these rows are the indexes of the web page. So I'll just show you. If we search this on Google, so here I'll search what is Earth. So if you can see, first index is what is Earth and NASA. So this is the name, which is the header of the result, and this is the description. So if you can see here, the description is matched with this line like that. Second also, what is Earth, NASA, and here you can see Google search result. What is Earth, NASA, and the result is the same. And I'll show you this Wikipedia one. So here, this is the Wikipedia. So here, Earth is the third planet from the Sun. So let me show you. Here it is the string. So these search results coming into our variable search result. So now we need to iterate this. So I'm going to just here. Okay, let me just delete it. So now for result in and search result. Now here we will have the description of the result. So spelling mistake, description like this. Now we need to speak this description by the services of Amazon. So for that, uh, I'm going to create a variable poly equals to photo3 dot client, and I'll pass the client I need poly. Now again I am going to create a function which is play sound from poly, and here we will pass the query result. So result, and we will call this here and pass the same like this, and I'll put the description also so that you will have better idea which we are going to pass and play. So here, so now I'm going to give a name to mp3. Name will be as output dot mp3, and then now we will have the object of polysynthesize. So synthesize speech, and then we will pass text will be the result, and then output format will be mp3. Then we need to pass the voice id. So voice id will be the Joanna, Joanna. Now let's see the reference of this poly uh, here. So uh, okay, sorry, not this one. The photo 3 poly, photo 3 poly API. So here, now here, this is the method synthesize speech, and here. So these are the parameters which we can pass. So voice id, here are many names, so you just need to pass these names, any one of this, and then we have passed the text string and the output format. So you can manipulate the object like this. So again, going to my PyCharm. One more thing. So it will return something, and it will return this object where we have audio stream, content type, and request characters. So we need this audio stream, which will return streaming body. So here I'm going to open a file with open mp3, sorry, mp3 this name, and write byte as file, and here we will file dot write the object, and we will have the at this audio stream like this, and return the object of audio stream. So it has a method read, and then we will close the file dot close. Now when this file is in our project, so this is the output mp3, so it will come to our parent folder marvel. So always after creating this file we will play it. So for that we have play sound, and we will pass this mp3 name. We have lots of searches, so every time it will create a file and it will store in our project, then the size of our project will always going to increase. So after every successful sound play we will delete that mp3 because we don't need that. So for that we have os.remove and the mp3 name like this. So okay, just close it. Okay, this is done. Now we will call this Google search. Yes, it is also good. So let's run this and see what we will have. So I'm running it. Okay, so spelling mistake here, description like this, and here also copy and paste. Run it again. So poly object has no attribute synthesize speech. Why? So let me just copy, maybe spelling mistake, copy it, and where it is. Okay, here spelling is good, then why? Okay, so N was not there. So this is the thing. Let's run it.
October 4th, 2017. Earth is our home planet. Scientists believe Earth and its moon formed around the same time as the rest of the solar system. They think that was about 4.5 billion years ago. Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Its diameter is about 8,000 miles.
So this is the mp3 file. Now, okay, so why this error comes? Because here we have created the for loop, and in search result we have many number of indexes, so it asks to play this output.mp3 again and again. So but it has not released the object from the play sound, so that is why this is showing permission denied. So we will handle it, but first here we will only have the first index. So here when this loop will come in existence, so only first time it will execute the code and break like this. And now what we will have, we will create a counter equals to 0, then make it global counter, and here we will just dot format counter and counter plus equals to 1. So every time it will create a new file. So let's run this and let's see what we will have.
October 4th, 2017. Earth is our home planet. Scientists believe Earth and its moon formed around the same time as the rest of the solar system. They think that was about 4.5 billion years ago. Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Its diameter is about 8,000 miles.
So here we don't have any error. So now, as this text is very long, so cut it short. So here we will use split from this, and even not this split, we will use R split. What is R split? I'll show you. Dot, and here we need to pass, we will pass 3. Okay, so why 3? I'll show you. So this is the declaration of the method. R split self, this is the separator where we have given the full stop, and max split is by default -1. So what is the difference between split and R split? Split starts from the first index of the separator, but R split starts from the reverse order. It means from the last index of the separator. And the 3, this is the index of the list from which we will have this string. So let me just copy and paste it here, not the complete syntax, this one, and run it. Okay, what is the problem? Should you? Okay, so problem is that because it is finding this full stop here also, so we need to first replace that. So replace, and then we will replace these 3 full stops, and then from blank, and then this, and we will do the same with. Okay, so now I'm just commenting it. So let's see. So what we have, so this is the list, as you can see here, the square bracket. So now we will have the first index, so 0. Let's run this. So this is the string, and this is only comes to this 4.5 billion years ago. So now, and same, I'll pass it here. Now let's see what Friday has to say.
October 4th, 2017. Earth is our home planet. Scientists believe Earth and its moon formed around the same time as the rest of the solar system. They think that was about 4.5 billion years ago.
Great. Now, what we need to do, we need to call this function over the where here, where we are executing the web browser, and we will pass the voice note. Now let's remove that exit code from here, cut and cut. Okay, so let's run this.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Hello Friday.
Hello, Mr. Singh. How can I help you, sir?
What is Earth?
Result found, sir. October 4th, 2017. Earth is our home planet. Scientists believe Earth and its moon formed around the same time as the rest of the solar system. They think that was about 4.5 billion years ago.
Thank you, Friday.
My pleasure, sir.
What is the name of current Prime Minister of India?
Result found, sir. The incumbent Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi, who has headed the BJP-led NDA government since May 26, 2014, which is India's first non-Congress single-party majority government.
Goodbye, Friday.
Bye, sir. Have a good day.
So as you can see now it is picking the search result instead of going to web browser. Now to make it more familiar, as here after this print it is taking so much time. Why? Because it is downloading that mp3, so it is taking time. So for that, what we can do here, we can play sound. We can just copy this play sound, like cut it from here, and we can just play sound, and the sound will be this search one.
Let me search for you.
So copy and pasting it here. Okay, not a problem. So what we will do, this copy and paste in the function where it is here, like not like this, play sound, and mp3 we will have this Google search, and here we will just use the play sound module and pass the this search. Now let's run this again and see.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
What is Earth?
Let me search for you. Got it. October 4th, 2017. Earth is our home planet. Scientists believe Earth and its moon formed around the same time as the rest of the solar system. They think that was about 4.5 billion years ago.
Okay, so the gap is still there because we need to just put it after getting the response. Cut from here and paste it here. Now when it gets the response, then only play this sound.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
What is Earth?
Let me search for you. Result found, sir. October 4th, 2017. Earth is our home planet. Scientists believe Earth and its moon formed around the same time as the rest of the solar system. They think that was about 4.5 billion years ago.
What is Android system?
Let me search for you. Got it. Android OS is a Linux-based platform for mobile phones.
Who invented artificial intelligence?
Let me search for you. Result found, sir.
Okay, so we are getting exception. Let me see. So we have this output one file. Okay, so nothing is here. So why is this? Maybe nothing is in our response. So let me just see here. Yes, you can see nothing is printing here. So I'll do one thing, like this. This is the text or response which is printing, but here we got nothing. So it's coming blank. So let me just do here if this description result uh, is not blank. Yes, right. So let's run this.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Who has invented artificial intelligence?
Let me search for you. Result found, sir. The needs, logic and symbolic reasoning. Logic was introduced into AI research as early as 1958 by John McCarthy in his advice taker proposal.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Let me search for you. Got it. The Prime Minister of India is the Chief Executive of the Government of India.
Thank you, Friday.
You are welcome, sir.
Goodbye,
I
Friday.
beg your pardon. Please say it again.
Goodbye, Friday.
Bye, sir. Have a good day.
So friends, as you can see, Friday is working more efficiently and perfectly. You can use your algorithms to make the search results better. Just try and have it. In next video, I'll come up with more abilities of Friday. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. If yes, please hit the like button and comment your feedbacks in comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Till then, thank you for watching. Jai Hind.